Yeah, it's just about to. I meant to come down, it's about to see it.
But before the Griffin, we have something very, very special. I know it's the aircraft many of you have come to see.
Here comes some fun.
The aircraft will not go straight into its display. The next display item will be the Griffin. But before we do that, we have the little matter of getting the following display item in the air. That is main thing. If you were here last year, all we managed to see was some fast taxi run by this particular aircraft. Well, today we've got the weather. The aircraft is lined up, away to your right hand side.
Is it going up?
And need I say, it's time to make sure you have your cameras ready.
Come on then.
Running through the final checks. Waiting clearance from air traffic control.
I've seen it done last year.
Just been granted. Any second now you'll hear the power coming on to the 490 Bristol on the Lynx engine. Will then power this aircraft into the sky. It will then hold off and then display for us in a few moments. For now, please enjoy from the left hand side the Vulcan